Greetings, Miss Nodumo. This is Dr. Nikadzino speaking. Apologies for not being able to join you in the Zoom meeting for our seminar. There's a storm here in East London, resulting in bad connectivity. However, I decided to do a podcast. I hope it can still work. I understand you assigned me to look into triglycerides. Therefore, let me dive right into it. So basically, triglycerides are a type of fat that is found in the blood, right? So when we eat, the body converts any calories it doesn't need to use right away into triglycerides. And these triglycerides are stored in our fat cells. Later on, the hormones release triglycerides for energy between meals. So the enzymatic test enzymatic method that is used to analyze triglycerides is glycerokinase, and the procedure for triglycerides test is as follows. It is a blood test, and during the test, a healthcare professional will take a blood sample from the vein in one's arm using a small needle. And after the needle is inserted, a small amount of blood will be collected into a test tube or a vial. And then the results will then be processed. So triglycerides are measured enzymatically in a serum, as I mentioned, or plasma using a series of coupled reactions in which triglycerides are hydrolyzed to produce glycerol. Glycerol is then oxidized using glycerol oxidase and hydrogen peroxide, one of the reaction products, and is then measured as described for cholesterol, which was done by Miss Junica. Absorbance is measured at 500 nanometers. So the next slide is showing us the ranges for normal triglyceride ranges in adults on the left side. So the normal range is less than 150 milligrams per deciliter, and then the borderline high is 150 to 199 milligrams per deciliter. The high is 200 to 499 milligrams per deciliter, and the very high is 500 milligrams per deciliter or higher. These are for adults, and then for children of ages 12 and below, the normal range is 25 to 400 milligrams per deciliter. High levels of serum triglycerides help mark conditions that are associated with increased risk of coronary heart disease and peripheral atherosclerosis. Thank you.